Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a great night last night, and it's raining out, so I hope you are able to stay dry in your house today because I think that's what it's going to do all day today. Let's get started with morning meeting. First, we got to do the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. If you want to press pause, go to the Pledge of Allegiance song, come back, and we will do our morning greetings. All right, for morning greetings today, I want you to look around in who's ever in the room with you. Maybe wave, smile. If you're able to say hello, or maybe just look at them. Whatever you can do so you can tell them that you're saying hi to them. And then you can press pause and go to the Beautiful Day song or the Good Morning song, and then come back and we will do our morning message. All right, morning message. Today is June 23rd, 2020. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I will do the science experiment today. Love, Miss Mary. The science experiment is fireworks, right? It's a fireworks experiment. So I thought it was a great one right before we go on our July 4th break, because I know you'll probably see a lot of fireworks on your break. I know I will. So I thought that was a great experiment to do right before we go on break. So yes, that's what I will be doing today, because this weather is so gloomy. There's not really much you can do. So that is what I'm going to do today. If you want to press pause, go to the Beautiful Day song and then come back and we'll do our calendar time. All right. Today is Tuesday. The month we are in is June. It is the 23rd. And the year is 2020. So today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. Yesterday was Monday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. We are in the season of summer. And the weather today is going to be rainy. And it's still going to be warm. So, rainy and warm today. All right, if you want to go to the Days of the Week wrap, come back and we will do our counting. All right, so it's the 23rd today, so we have to count from the number 1 to 23. Are we ready? Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. All right, that is it for me for right now. I will be uploading Miss Sam's story time a little later with the science experiment that I do. So make sure you guys check out for those later today, and I will see you later, okay? Bye, guys.